Let's start cooking. First, we do the marinade of our fish. So we put the fish here. I didn't put oil because I don't like to, I'm trying to use less fat, but you can actually put oil there. Let's start with our marinade. This is the black beans, salted black beans. It's in canned already, you can buy it. Vinegar, just add it there. This is the black pepper, just add it all there. And then here is the garlic. Just mix this to get it well blended. And then put also ginger. There. And then spread it nicely to the fish. And also the marinade goes down to the fish. And then with this, a little bit of pepper, add it also on top. This is actually better to cook it in oven, but also you can just cover it and steam it. Now it's all good. So now let it marinate for 15-20 minutes and just cover it. Carrots has been added. The liquid looks little when pan is too big. So now let's just add water so it doesn't stick in the pan. And now let's cover and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Just on slow heat, or medium heat is fine also. So 20 minutes has gone and it has been boiling. Wow, that looks great. And the fish also looks cooked also. And the carrots looks also cooked. And everything is cooked. Now we can taste this. Delicious. It's really good with the rice. And you see, when it evaporates, the steam goes around the cover and wet the vegetables there. So now we'll do the plating. It looks so beautiful and looks so delicious. So with this spatula, we put that there. That's lovely. Then then with a spoon, we can put these carrots also on top. Then put sauce also. Wow. That's so delicious.